I decided to come to culinary school to follow my passions.
I enrolled at ICE because I had always really loved food, and I finished my undergrad and I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. And so I found ICE and I felt like it was a perfect fit for me.
I enrolled at ICE because I needed a career change. And also recently having been diagnosed with 2 chronic illnesses led me to food as medicine.
I chose the plant-based culinary program because I had a pretty bad health scare. I almost died and I needed to change everything about my life, everything about the way I was approaching food, the way I was eating. Coming to culinary school was a lifelong dream where my family always spent all of our time in the kitchen together, and it sort of aligned itself with who I am and what I needed to do.
I enrolled in the plant-based program because I was vegan for 4 years and I felt like it was always more creative. There were a lot of different things you could do with it.
I chose the plant-based program specifically for the nutrition component. I strongly believe in food as medicine and that is going to be the future of the culinary world.
So one of the best things about the plant-based program at ICE was that we were given standard recipes for things and taught the classic French techniques, and then how to convert them into really exciting ways to approach that same recipe, that same technique with plants as the feature.
I feel like when you go into the vegan food or the plant-based food, it's when you start to really just find things that you wouldn't expect.
Part of the plant-based program is an externship where you do 200 hours in a live action kitchen. So I did my externship at a restaurant called Tula Kitchen on Long Island.
I did my externship at Gramercy Tavern.
I externed at the Tin Building at Seeds and Weeds.
So now I am a personal chef, and I also work in the career service department at ICE. One of my duties is to advise people on externship. A lot of the time people come to culinary school and they don't really know what they want, or don't really have the way to connect what they want to how to get it. And so your externship is a really important part of that. The most important lesson that we learned was how to maintain a level of professionalism in everything you're doing.
I think our instructors taught us what the real world was really going to be like.
I'm honestly so thankful for so many things at ICE, but the packets that we get with all the recipes and everything we learn and everything, I go back to that all the time.
The advice I would give to anyone looking to go to culinary school is to start as soon as you can.
I would say definitely be ready to listen.
The first thing I would tell someone looking to come to culinary school is make sure you're doing it for yourself. Make sure you're doing it because you want to be there. If you come here with the right attitude, you'll be prepared for life afterwards.